Hi, this is Brenda Avilla-Kintz, Realtor Broker, welcoming you to my latest listing here at 1281 Berkeley Way in Berkeley, California. This large home features a unique floor plan, lending itself to multi-generational households or those wishing to create a multi-unit situation. Let's take a look. Thank you for touring 1281 Berkeley Way here in Berkeley, California with me. If you have any questions or would like to tour this home in person, contact me, Brenda Avilla-Kintz, your realtor with solutions for changing lives. Have a great day.